Hello friends! In this video, I want to talk to you about how to interact with the slides during presentations and speeches. First, I'd like to address a common question. Where should we stand in the presentation room so that our audience can connect with us better? The goal is for them to comfortably read our slides without having to constantly move back and forth, and to stay engaged and energetic until the end of the presentation. Here is my suggestion. You can visit the presentation when you are there before you talk. Walk around and sit in different spots in the room, putting yourself in the audience's shoes. Identify the blind spots or areas where it is harder for the audience to see you clearly during the presentation. Once you locate these spots, try to minimize your presence in these areas during your presentation. Another point to consider is this: if you are presenting in English and your slides are also in English, your audience will naturally read the slides from left to right. You can position yourself closer to the left side of the slides to align better with their line of sight. Now the second part of my talk is about where to look during your presentation. As we all know, eye contact is an essential element of both casual conversations and formal presentations. When someone makes eye contact with us, we instinctively return that connection. However, here is a challenge. When I'm presenting or giving a speech with the slides, if I focus solely on making eye contact with the audience, their attention might shift entirely to me, and they may miss important points on the slides. All the effort and energy I've put into designing those slides could go unnoticed. So, what can we do? We can maintain eye contact with our audience while also pointing to our slides with our hands. In my opinion, your hand can be a powerful tool to guide the audience's attention, helping them focus on specific parts of the slide. Try to use every tool at your disposal, whether it's your eye movements, hand gestures, or even phrases like "pay attention to this point" or "focus on this section of the slide" to manage the audience's attention effectively. For example, let's say you have a chart on your slide showing an upward trend. When presenting this slide, as the chart moves upward, you can raise your hand in the same direction pointing to the slide. At the same time, try to maintain eye contact with the audience as much as possible without breaking it completely. This way, you can keep eye contact while also drawing attention to your slides. When the audience sees that you are actively engaging with your slides and integrating them into your presentation, they will pay attention to both you and your slides. With this approach, you will be able to deliver a strong and effective presentation. My dear friends, presenting with the slides is a set of skills that, when combined and practiced consistently, can help you master the art of delivering impactful presentations. Until the next educational video, take care.